Hey guys, Jeff at AutoSauce. Today we're going to talk about how to ceramic coat a vinyl wrapped card. I'll go through all the steps that we need to do with our ceramic wrap sauce kit, and we have our model back here that we cleaned up in our other video, and I showed you guys how to prep that properly. So let's go through what's in our kit. First off, we have instructions. Nobody likes to read instructions, which is why I'm making the video. But we have instructions, we have our bottle of ceramic wrap sauce, we have our applicator, we have our ceramic sauce booster, and we have our verification tag that goes inside the door jamb. That all comes in the kit. The booster is also available in a 16-ounce size. If you want that as well, you can get that on the website. There are a couple items that you need to have as well. One, I recommend some latex gloves, because this is messy. If it gets on your hands will be hydrophobic, and you won't be able to wash your hands because water will just bead right off of them. And then I have 3 microfibers with me. 2 of them I'm going to use to polish out the ceramic sauce once it's on there, and the last one will be for the booster. So now that we have all our equipment here, we're ready to go. We have our clean car. Let's get into it. All right, we're all set up here. We've got our car ready to go. We've got our stuff behind me. So let's just get into it. What you want to do first is shake your bottle. You can see it'll get all a little bubbly, almost like shaking a can of soda. You grab your applicator, and you'll notice the first time you take it off, you'll break the seal. And what we're going to do now is kind of, since it is the first process that we're putting on, we're going to kind of prime our applicator a little bit. Normally you'll want to do 12 to 15 drops per section. This one I'm going to probably put a lot on, just so that it soaks into the microfiber a lot quicker. So I'm going to just going to get this all nice and even as well. So I've got kind of a lot on there, as you can see. And you've seen the videos where the guys go in nice straight lines and stuff like that. You don't really have to do that, but you can. You can put it on just as long as you make sure you cover everything. And that's the important part, is that you have plenty of lighting so that you can see that you cover everything, the high spots and low spots. What's great about our wrap sauce is that it can level out very easy. So if I do miss a spot, I can go back. I don't need to reapply. I don't need to take it off. I can go back and fix it all nice. So we'll just get going. We should start in like a 2-foot by 3-foot section. I'm just going to pretty much split the hood and do that in little sections here. I'll start here. I'll start actually here in the middle, and then I'll work my way out. I'll do the other side as well. And I'm just going to go down, and as you can see, it lays on pretty thick looking, I guess you could say. And I noticed the spot that I missed up front there, or towards the windshield. And I'm only going to work in a section that's probably about this big. I think it's pretty safe. You know, I'll get the letters later, and I can go right over them right now. And that's what's nice about the applicator, having a microfiber like this. I'm getting in all the little grooves around the letters and everything. And I'm not in any rush. As you can see, just went right back over it. Now, as I'm doing this, I can see that it's starting to haze up, or what they call flashing. So what I want to do now that I see that it's starting to flash is just grab one of my microfibers, and I'm basically just going to buff it out. And you can use circular motions that I like to use, and just go down. Make sure I get all those letters that I got before. And you just want to make sure you buff it all out. So this first section's done. I'm going to now put my thing back down. And now that I'm moving on to another section, I am just going to put, a few drops, 12 to 15 drops, and then I'm just going to go on with the next section. You want to make sure you get the whole applicator equal line across, I guess is probably the easiest way to say it. That way you're not putting it down and you have like a streak of one that doesn't have any coverage on it. You've got that. Let it sit for a few seconds. You can see it's starting to haze up. I've got my microfiber, and I'm just going to start buffing it back out. So it's pretty simple. I've already got half the hood done. This only took a few minutes. Doing 2 coats. This little bottle here is enough, more than enough to do 2 coats on a pretty big size vehicle like this. I do have a 50 milliliter bottle that's also available right now as well. It's for your sprinters, your bigger trucks and stuff. But this will cover 2 coats on this whole truck with no problem. You'll even have some left over. So let me get back to work. It's the next day. We let this thing sit overnight. I recommend that you let it sit for 8 hours to let the coating cure. So that's exactly what I did. I went home, I enjoyed my evening, I came back in the morning, and the car looks fresh and nice. There's one last step that you gotta do, and that is apply the ceramic sauce booster. This is just kind of a spray that just enhances that hydrophobic properties that are in the ceramic sauce itself. So it's real simple to do. You just spray it on, let it kind of sit or marinate, as they say, and then you'll just take a microfiber and wipe it off. So let's do it. There's a little lock on this bottle. I've gotten some questions about that, so you make sure you undo the lock. And then I'm just going to spray it on. Depending on, you could do this whole hood, because you're just going to spray it on. You're going to kind of let it sit for a few seconds, maybe a minute or so. It smells nice. It'll make your garage smell good for a minute or so. So I just sprayed the whole hood, as you can see. Just looks like a nice little level of moisture on there. I will let it sit. I got my microfiber here, and I'm just going to kind of wipe it in, buff it out, and just enhance the shine or sheen to the finish of this wrap. So I can start in the middle, and there's really no specific technique to it. You just want to get it all nice and wiped in. Get the whole thing here. See, there's still a little haze on it. What I'll do is I'll turn the microfiber over, and I'll just give it one final little buff section here. What's nice about this is that you can spray it, and you don't need to immediately remove it. You can let it sit for a minute or so. You don't want it to dry completely on there, because then you'll have a bunch of spots that you'll then have to just, you can get them out. It just takes some time. So there you have it. You would do the whole car. It's recommended that you let it sit another 6 to 8 hours or so. If you don't have that time, it's okay. It's not going to damage anything to do it. But if you do have the time, I would recommend that you let it sit after you do the whole car with this. And then it's ready to go once you put your verification in there. I fill it out, I put the date, I put my name, and I stick it right in the door jamb. And that way I'll know in a year or so that it probably needs another application. So that's it for our ceramic wrap sauce application. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do, so pick some ceramic wrap sauce up. All right, thanks for watching.